Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Pirai Academy. In this series of Zoho interview question, today we are going to see about a question called count the number of possible triangles. So given an integer array, find the number of triangles that can be formed with three different array elements as length of three sides of triangle. A triangle with the given sides is only possible if sum of any two sides is always greater than the third side. Okay, so this is the rule for a triangle. And just see this array 4, 6, 3 and 7. Here you can form these three triangles, but you cannot form 3, 4 and 7 because 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 is strictly greater than the 7. No, 7 is equal to the 7. So it is not a possible triangle. Okay, fine. So how to do this? So the basic brute force approach that comes into my mind is, this is a simple, right? We want to just put three loop iterating over these all elements. Okay, which means first I will be pointing here, here and here. Okay, and this point will be moving here, then moving here. Okay, then next this point will be moving here, and this point will be moving here and moving here. So I am just taking the all possible combinations of three elements and checking whether the given condition is satisfied or not. If it is satisfied, I will be taking it as a one of the result. If not, I will be not taking that as our result. Okay, fine. So for this approach, our time complexity will be O of n cube because we are taking the three loop, and what is space complexity? It will be O of 1 because we haven't taken any auxiliary space. Fine. But it is pretty much inefficient solution, right? So they will be telling us to just optimize this solution and come up with the optimized solution, right? So let me take that array. It will be 4, 6, 3, 7, 9. Okay, now I want to sort this. Okay, if we sort this, it will be 3, 4, 6, 7 and 9. Why I'm sorting this is because we can use a condition efficiently to traverse among these elements. I will be telling that condition while we are just going with that try run. Okay, fine. And now I will be taking a pointer here called k. Okay, this is the first step. Now it will be j and this will be I. Okay, now what is the condition for a possible triangle? So sum of two sides should be always or strictly greater than the third side. So that's the condition, right? So here 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 is greater than 9. Okay. Whether 9 plus 7 is greater than 3? Obviously, because we have sorted this. So we just want to check whether this ith point and this jth point, whether the sum is greater than the kth point. That's it. Okay, because it is in a sorted order, right? Okay, now this condition is passed. So initially my result will be 0 initially. Okay, now this ith element plus jth element is strictly greater than the kth element. At this point, I can tell you, if I move this ith pointer to here, it will be also a valid possible triangle. If I move here, it will be also a valid possible triangle. Can you understand this? Because all the elements that are in the right side of the 3 will be strictly greater than 3. Can you understand this? So I can tell you that we can take directly the indices. So it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. So I can tell you by using this 3, 4 and 6, we can form a possible triangle with 7 and 9 as one of the sides. Yes, so I will be adding 3 here, so it will be 3. And I want to move this j pointer here. Now hope you understand why we are sorting this. By using this sorting technique, I can identify all the points between them, also a valid triangle. Okay, and I just move the pointers accordingly to the condition. Okay, now I move this j pointer here. Now check whether it is a possible triangle. No, it is not a possible triangle because 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 is not strictly greater than 9. So I want to move this ith pointer to here. Can you understand this? Now check whether 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 is greater than 9. Yes. Then what should we do? I should take the index. So 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. So now the result will be 4. Okay. Now again, what should I do? I should make this j pointer to move here. Now I and j are at one point, so it should be not at one point. So what should we do? We should terminate that and make our k pointer to move one step behind. So now k will be here and j will be here and I will be here, right? Now check whether it is a possible triangle. Yes, it is a possible triangle because 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 is greater than the 7, right? So it is a possible triangle. So now 2 minus 0, which is equal to 2. So it will be 6. Okay. Now I will be making my j pointer to come here. Now 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 is, whether it is greater than the 7? No. At this point, what should we do? We should make our I pointer to move one step ahead. Now I and j are colliding at one point. So what should I do? I just move my k pointer one step behind. Now I, j and k pointers will be like this. Okay, fine. Now whether it is a valid possible triangle? Yes, because 3 plus 4 is greater than the 6, right? So it is a possible triangle. So what is the j value? It is 1 and I value will be 0, so which is equal to 1. So what is the result? Result will be 7. Okay, and I will be making my j pointer to move here, and now I and j are collided. So stop here, and so if I make this k pointer to move here, so here will be j, but I cannot be there, right? So for this point I should stop. Okay, fine. So what is my result? It will be 7. Now tell me what is the time complexity? It will be O of n square, and so space complexity will be O of 1. So this is the optimized solution we can go with. Okay, fine. So let us see the code so that it will be more clear. So always prefer Java code for Zoho interviews. So see here, first of all I am sorting the array, and then result will be initially 0. Now I will be setting the array length minus 1 as my I. There I used k pointer, right? Here I used I instead of k, and left instead of I, and right instead of j. Okay. Now I should be greater than or equal to 2 and I minus. Fine. Now left will be 0 and right will be I minus 1. Now while left is always less than or strictly less than right, what should I do? I should take the sum of left and right element which is greater than the ith element. If this condition pass, then what should I do? I should take the result as right minus left should be added in my result. So that many possible triangles I can make, right? And right minus. Fine. Or else what should I do? I should make left pointer to move one step ahead. Then finally return the result. Let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. To know about these kinds of algorithms, just go and watch my YouTube channel where I have posted plenty of problems with multiple approaches. So it will be so useful when you are going for a problem solving round. So just continue this playlist to know about the entire Zoho interview process. Fine. If you really like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.